Go to the VMware download page. Log in with your Broadcom account. If you don't have one, register. Fill in your email and CAPTCHA. Check your email and enter the number. Fill in all the information marked with an asterisk. Select I accept, and then create an account. Select to do it later. Now that we have an account, let's go back to the login page. After logging in, select here in the My Downloads section. Select VMware Workstation Pro. Choose the latest version or the one you need. Click on their Terms and Conditions. Close the Terms tab, then go back to the Download tab. Click I agree. Drag the horizontal slider to the end. Press the Download button. Fill in the information in the fields marked with an asterisk. Find the zip code for your province and fill it in the zip code field. Once you've filled it out, click Submit.
Okay.
Wait for the page to reload. Now we can download it.
Yay!
Turn off these two options.